Hi friends, if TV supports screen mirroring, we need to open mirroring app or miracast app. If TV supports Google Chromecast, we need to enable Google Chromecast. So this TV supports screen mirroring. So let me open mirroring app. So in your TV you have to search for miracast or mirroring app. So let me open this mirroring app. Then keep this screen open. Then in mobile phone open settings app, tap on this icon. Then select connection and sharing. Then select screencast. Then tap here and enable screencast. Now it's searching for available devices. See, it's showing Android TV and TV stick. Android TV has Google Chromecast. TV stick has miracast. So let me select TV stick. So that is the screen mirroring. See, now it's connecting. Please wait. Okay, done. See, it's working. So if you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation on mobile phone. Then just rotate the phone, so that way we can switch display to full screen. If you want to disconnect, again go to settings, then tap on this close icon. So now it's disconnecting. Okay, done. So please try it.